Competition. We see it every day around us. Football, track, politics, even spelling bees. It's human nature to have a competitive drive, and the Vex Robotics competition is not an exception to fulfilling it. Applying the engineering process of designing, prototyping, testing, building, fixing, and repeating, our team is able to create machines that will be able to perform the challenge that has been bestowed upon us. Spending time making sure everything is tweaked and tuned so that the robot can perform, as well as creating code so that not only a human can control the robot, but also that the robot can also move by itself is always challenging, but it's only half the process. The other half, competition. Using our robots, we get to immerse ourselves in a twist on traditional school sports, allowing us to not only show the skills of our individual bot, but as well get to meet some of the amazing people within the Vex Robotics community. In a unique way, Vex provides a way for us to still fulfill our competitive drive in a fun and challenging way that still teaches lessons to everyone, whether it be about math or sportsmanship. As aspiring engineers, Vex is our competition.